The snow petrel. They fly 100 miles inland in order to breed away from predators. This male gets to work clearing a shallow scrape, which he will then line with feathers to give his chick a little protection from the bitter cold. But crevices are in short supply, and rivals are ever ready to fight for them. When aerial combat fails, snow petrels deploy another weapon: vomit. It could be lethal. If the putrid stomach oil freezes, his flight feathers could stick together. Fortunately, he knows how to clean them with a snow bath. Now, to get on with the task of breeding.